They need to end this shutdown. They need to come to the table.
U.S. Senator Adam Schiff not shying away from blaming President Donald Trump and Republicans for the now month-long government shutdown. Schiff says the president and Republican leaders have not been willing to negotiate or budge on Democrats' demands to reopen the government only if there's a deal to extend Obamacare health insurance subsidies before they expire. If those subsidies do expire, Schiff worries health premium costs will go up for millions of Americans.
We need this healthcare crisis addressed. Lots of people are hurting. They're getting notices that their health insurance is doubling. We need to fix this.
Democrats say they continue to block a House-approved bill to reopen the government, noting it does not include their concerns on health care. President Trump, meantime, says it's for that reason he blames Democrats for the shutdown.
Everything is their fault. It's so easily solved. They become crazed lunatics. All they have to do is say, let's go, let's open up our country.
Do Democrats deserve any of the blame?
No, the Republicans control everything. And when Democrats controlled everything, we were able to keep the government open. And yes, that meant that we negotiated with the Republicans and we made concessions. That's what's necessary.
Speaking of politics, Election Day is just days away as Californians decide the fate of Prop 50.
I'm optimistic about it. I think that Californians recognize that this is really important to make sure that their voice in Congress counts.
Prop 50 opponents note the measure will pause the state's Independent Citizens Redistricting Commission through 2030 and give the power of drawing congressional maps to politicians. While there are political disagreements there, Schiff says he's working with Republicans on his new bill to save rural hospitals to prevent them from losing federal funding based on a specific distance rule. They be at least 35 miles from the next closest hospital.
That's a terrible reason to close a hospital. And I want Californians in every part of the state to have access to a hospital. It's life or death.
And as for Prop 50, Election Day is this Tuesday, November 4th. Reporting in Sacramento, covering local news that matters, Eitan Wallace, Fox 40 News.